guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see some of the very recent fresher recruitment updates and internship updates. We'll be seeing the recruitment updates from different companies, big companies that are Dell, Accenture, Cognizant, Amazon, TCS, Genpact, HCL, Reliance, Goldman Sachs, all these companies. So this video is going to be surely informative and useful for you. So please to watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing this channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. Before moving to the content or before moving to the video, I have a very good news for you guys. There is 2 subscribers of this channel who got placed in TCS and Infosys. So this is a happy moment for the channel. So first of all, congrats for 2 candidates, 2 subscribers. Also, you can get your dream job through the channel. Please keep on watching the videos. Check out the links which I'll be putting in description and apply for the companies, and along with that prepare for the selection process. You will surely get your dream job in 2022. Okay, so let's move on to the video. First recruitment update we are going to see is from Dell Technologies. If you are having a minimum +2 qualification or a high school qualification or a diploma or a bachelor degree in any background, you can apply for this recruitment. It is for the post of sales representative. So if you are having minimum +2 qualification or diploma, please try for this job. The location of job is Hyderabad. So this is a sales related job. So if you are interested in sales related jobs, please do apply for it. Just click on this apply now icon and you can apply. There is no year of pass out, specific batch they are asking for. There is no specific streams or any specific skills. So anybody can apply for this. So just apply for it by checking out the link in description. Okay. So the recruitment update next we're going to see is from Accenture. Again, it is an IT help desk job. The link is still active. It is asking for a qualification 10th SLC, 12th PUC HSC or BCA BTech. Okay. So any stream is eligible. Minimum 10th qualification if you are having, you can apply for this job. 0 to 1 year of experience. This is a customer support job. It is an IT help desk job. We know that what is the job role of an IT help desk. It is a BPO related job itself. You will be answering the queries of the customers through mail support, chat support, voice process. That is going to be the job role. Okay. So just click on this apply now icon. The location of job is Hyderabad. Next one is again a tech support job itself, but it is asking a minimum experience of 1 year. So a lot of people is asking also experienced candidate update. So that's why I brought up this video. I mean this content. Work experience minimum 1 to 2.5 years if you are having, you can apply for this job. This is again a tech support job itself. It is for the experienced candidate. Okay. Location of job is Bengaluru. Just click on this apply now icon and apply for it. Okay. Yeah. The next recruitment update we are going to see is from Cognizant. So Cognizant is hiring for programmer trainee post. The batch of pass out they are asking is 2020 and 2021. The application deadline is 6th of January is the last day to apply. This is a full-time job and the CTC that they are offering is 2,52,000 per annum. Let's have a look on the detailed eligibility criteria. The streams of education which they are calling for is BCA, BSc, IT, computer science, computer technology, maths, physics, chemistry, statistics. These courses are eligible for this recruitment update. Year of pass out we have already seen it is 2020 and 2021. BG courses are not eligible. Clearly they have mentioned. Okay. You should be having a minimum 60% in 10th, 12th diploma, undergraduation. For all the milestones of education, you should be having. Hello guys, so do you know that a lot of companies now offer you jobs based on only your skills and you don't need to worry about having a good degree from a good college or lack of experience. So all that matters is talent and skills. If you are having good talent and skills, you can earn up to minimum 4 lakhs per annum for non-tech roles and 6 lakhs per annum for tech roles. And you can actually get up to 15 lakhs per annum if you're having good and relevant skills. So we are going to see about a platform which is called Relevel by Unacademy. So here, a lot of companies are hiring through this platform and the biggest attraction is that this is completely free of cost. You don't have to pay any money here. Okay. So I'm going to share with you what you have to do as a sign up process. So just click on this get hired and the next thing you have to do is sign up to this platform. You have to book a test slot and then you have to give the test. And if you get a good score in the test, you will be hired by the companies. You don't have to bother about going to the company sites and applying multiple times. You just have to give the test and get a good score in the test. And 200 plus leading companies trust Relevel. The big companies like Urban Company, Meesho, Upgrad, Paytm, all these companies are hiring through this platform. Okay, I'm going to specifically share a recruitment update from Snapdeal, which is hiring through Relevel platform. So they are having a team size of up to 1,000 people. So they are hiring through Relevel platform. So if you are interested in working with Snapdeal, you can register for the test here, and you can sign up to the platform, and you can give the test. And if you get a good score in the test, you'll be hired by Snapdeal. Okay, Snapdeal is a very famous company. Its headquarters is in New Delhi. So also, you know that a lot of people are being hired through this platform. There are a lot of bulk placements happening here. So you can actually give mock tests here. You will get various sample papers, and also you will be notified with the help of a leaderboard that how good your performance is, where you stand in your performance or in this race. Okay, so you will get to know about the leadership board or the leaderboard. Also, you will get a lot of mock tests and sample papers here. So all these things will really help you in your placement, and it will assist you to get your dream job and your dream package. Okay, as I've told you, you'll get a package up to 15 lakhs per annum. So please register to this platform, sign up to this platform first, because it is completely free of cost, and please give the test. So the link I'll be putting in description. Make use of the link and get placed. Having minimum 60%. Okay, no standing arrears you should be having, and also maximum 2 years of education gap they are allowing. Okay, so this is a programmer trainee recruitment from Cognizant. It is a full-time job. If you are interested, please try to apply before 6th of January. Okay, next recruitment update we are going to see is from Amazon. So Amazon is hiring for the post of device associate. The location of job is Tamil Nadu. Here, the requirements of the basic qualification is BE BTech, BSc candidates, MCA, MSc. These streams of education they are asking for from the branches IT, EC, electrical and electronics engineering. Okay, so these are the educational backgrounds which they are calling for. Also, they are asking little bit of knowledge in Word, Microsoft Word, Excel, IE, Firefox, etc. Okay, so that is the requirements. If you are having these basic qualifications, you can definitely apply for this post. The location is Tamil Nadu. Just click on this apply now icon. Okay, the next recruitment we are going to see is from TCS. The recruitment is happening for 2020 and 2021 batch. The last day to apply is 16th of January. Here they are calling for the streams B BTech, ME MTech, MCA, MSc with the year of pass out 2020 and 2021. Okay, let's have a look on the eligibility criteria in detail. So the year of pass out we have already seen, it is 2020 and 2021. Minimum 60% or 6 CGPA you need to have in 10th, 12th diploma, graduation and post graduation. Highest qualification should have completed. No backlogs is allowed. Then the gap or break in education maximum they have permitted is 24 months. Okay, so this is the eligibility criteria which they have given. The test pattern also they have given here. The test will be consisting of two parts, part A and part B. Part A will be cognitive skills and part B will be programming knowledge test. Total time duration will be 180 minutes. Okay, for these two parts. So if you are eligible, if you are having the basic eligibility criteria, just click on this icon and just apply for it. Okay. The next recruitment update we are going to see is from Genpact. They are conducting an exclusive hiring for BCom candidates, minimum BCom qualification, or if you are from the finance background of your study, you can definitely apply here. Freshers can also apply. So this is a job role for process associate record to report. So here you will be handling with account related transactions, balance sheet, tallying, all those areas. Okay. So if you are from BCom background, if you are having a basic BCom degree as a basic qualification, if you are having, you can apply here. So just click on this apply icon and you can apply. Okay. The next application or the next recruitment update is from HCL. It is for 22 batch. B BTech and ME MTech freshers of 22 batch is eligible here. Okay, so just fill up this application form. All the streams of B BTech and ME MTech is eligible here. So just fill up this application form. It is asking for various fields: your university registration number, candidate name, gender details, email ID, contact number, alternate contact number, address, state, 10th percentage, 10th pass out year, 12th percentage. Then you have to fill up the details of higher education, whether it is B BTech, ME MTech, all those details you have to fill up. So this is the application form that you have to fill. Okay. The next recruitment we are going to see is from Reliance Jio. So they are hiring for customer service job role. The location of job is Hyderabad. Even though the location is Hyderabad, it is going to be a work from home job. So they have asked for 0 to 1 years of experience in customer service area. The skills they are asking is you should be having knowledge in the local language, basic computer knowledge, problem solving skill, customer focus, technical orientation, and attention to detail, service mindset. So this is a basic BPO related job or a customer service job. So if you are interested, you can apply here. Okay. The last recruitment update we are going to see is from Goldman Sachs. The last day to apply for this job role is January 3rd. So they are actually hiring for two different job posts actually. New analyst post for which they are hiring from the year of pass out 2022. Summer internship is for 23 batch. Okay. So they have given the details of the selection process also. The last day to apply is January 3rd. Aptitude test will be from January 9th onwards. Technical test will be from February 13th. From the fourth week of February, there will be interviews scheduled. Okay. So this is going to be the selection process in detail. So this is for two different roles actually, for summer internship and for new analyst. Separately, they have given the links also. Many people have applied and they got the reply mails also. If you are interested, you can definitely apply here. Okay. So these are the recruitment updates we are seeing in this video. All the links I'll be putting in description. Whichever job role you are interested in, you can apply for them and you can start preparing for the company selection process also. Okay. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Share the videos with your friends also and tell them to subscribe. So that's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.